Hey everyone, in this full guide, I'll show you how to remove backgrounds in CapCut in 2026. So whether you want to remove the background from a person, object, or video clip for YouTube, TikTok, or Reels, yeah, CapCut makes the process pretty simple. First, open CapCut and create a new project, or open an existing one where you want to remove the background. Next, import the video or image you want to edit by clicking the Import button or dragging the file directly into CapCut. Now click the clip on the timeline so the editing options appear on the side panel. Look for the Remove Background or Auto Cutout feature inside the editing tools. CapCut will automatically detect the subject and remove the background for you. Now play the video preview and check if the background removal looks smooth and clean throughout the clip. Once you're happy with the result, click Export in the top right corner and save the final video. And that's basically how to remove backgrounds in CapCut in 2026. With the Auto Cutout feature and a few adjustments, you can create cleaner and more professional-looking videos directly from your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.